Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cloudmersive YouTube channel. In this next video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can easily convert an image to grayscale colors using the Cloudmersive Image Connector in Power Automate. This basically makes an image black and white, which has several advantages, including lower computational requirements for your image file and, of course, a certain aesthetic feel that colors can't achieve. Let's begin. Click Create on the Power Automate homepage and then select the Instant Cloud Flow option. Give your flow a name and then select Manually Trigger a Flow before clicking Create at the bottom to move on. When you're ready to start designing the flow, click New Step and type Get File Content into the search bar. I'm using SharePoint to get my file, so I'm selecting that option below and then I'm including my site address to create the connection. To get your image file, click on the file icon below and navigate the folder path until you find it. Select it, and then you can move on to the next step in the flow. Click New Step again, and now type Cloudmersive into the operations search bar. When you do that, a bunch of different Cloudmersive connectors will show up with different colored logos below. From that list, you're going to select the image connector with the yellow logo and follow steps to validate your Cloudmersive API key, which is required to authenticate this connector, and will save for future usage like mine has. If you're short a Cloudmersive API key, head to our website, cloudmersive.com, and register a free account to receive one. You'll be able to use this key for all Cloudmersive connectors with a limit of 800 API calls per month. When you're ready, type Grayscale into the Actions search bar and select the option to convert images to black and white grayscale. Then, you can go about satisfying the two parameters for this connector. Click on the first parameter and then select the File Content option from the Dynamic Content window. After that, copy the file name from the previous step in the flow and paste that in the second parameter here. This operation is now good to go and the flow is almost complete. When you're ready, click New Step and type Create File into the search bar. For this demo, I'm going to create this new file in SharePoint, so I'm selecting that option again and defining my site address. Once that's done, you just need to let Power Automate know what the folder path, name, and content of the file should be. To find the right folder, click on the file icon and again navigate the folder path until you find it. Once selected, you can then give your file whatever name you want, just make sure to include the proper suffix at the end. Finally, click on File Content and select Body from the Dynamic Content window to ensure the new file contains the converted image contents. With the flow complete, it's time to make sure it works. Click Save at the bottom of the flow, and then click Test in the upper right corner of the page. Select the option to trigger manually, and then click Test followed by Continue and then Run Flow. This is a pretty quick operation, so you should start to see green check marks appear in the upper right corner of each operation in the flow in just a few seconds. If there were any errors in creating your flow, you'll instead get a quick error message on the right side of the page, highlighting where the flow failed to run. Once the test completes successfully, head to the target folder and check for your new file. You should have a newly converted file as you see here with the name you specified. Most importantly, make sure the image content is now grayscale, as intended. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Cloudmersive Power Automate tutorials in the near future.